Hello students, this is your 8th video of lesson 2. This video we are going to learn about unitary method. What is unitary method? So unitary method means finding the cost of one object. Okay, after that finding the cost of more objects. Okay, so for example, see first term, cost of one box is given. Okay, cost of one box is equal to 20 rupees. What is the cost of 5 box? So what you have to do, cost of one object given, cost of more object is a question, so you have to multiply. This one already we know. So cost of one box 20 rupees, cost of 5 boxes 20 into 5, 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees. Same question, see this is finished. Same question, cost of 5 boxes given. Okay, cost of 5 boxes given. So what is the cost of 5 boxes? 100. What is the cost of one box? What is the cost of one box? So more objects given, maximum numbers given, minimum numbers, only one is the question. So you have to divide. This one also you know already. So 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. Understood? So cost of 5 boxes 100 rupees. What is the cost of one box? 100 divided by 5, 20. Same question, another method. Cost of 3 boxes given. Cost of 3 boxes is 60. What is the cost of 7 boxes? See here, cost of one box given, cost of 5 box a question, simple direct multiply, because one given, more is a question, directly you can multiply. But here cost of 3 boxes 60 given. What is the cost of 7 boxes? What is the cost of 7 boxes? So like this question, first you have to find the cost of one box. Okay, cost of one object by division method. Then we can find the cost of other boxes by multiplication. Understood? See. So this question, see, 2 steps. Step 1. Step 1. What is step 1? Finding cost of one object. So cost of 3 boxes given. Simply okay. Cost of 3 boxes is equal to 60. Cost of one box. Maximum numbers given, minimum only one is a question, so you have to divide. 60 divided by 3, 20. So 20 is the cost of one box. Okay, 20 is the cost of one box. Step 2. One box you know. What's the question? 7 box. So one box we found already. Okay, minimum numbers we know. Okay, given, minimum numbers given, maximum numbers the question, so you have to multiply. So cost of one box given, cost of 7 boxes. Cost of 7 boxes equal to, what we have to do? Multiply. 20 into 7 is equal to 140 rupees. 140. So unitary method means, okay, unitary method means finding the cost of one object, then finding the cost of more object. Finding the cost of one object by division method. So first step 1 you have to divide. Then finding the cost of more object by multiply. From your book, I will give some exercises to you. Exercise 2.10. First question. The price of dozen exercise books is rupees 72. Dozen means 12. Okay, dozen means 12. So cost of 12 books given, 12 exercise books given. Find the cost of 18 exercise books. So 12 given, you have to find 18. So there is 2 steps. Step 1, first question. Solution. Step 1. Step 1. Cost of dozen. Dozen means 12. In bracket you can mention 12. 12 exercise books is equal to 72 rupees 72. Okay, first you have to find the cost of one object. So cost of one exercise book is equal to 72 divided by 12. So 72 divided by 12, 6. So rupees 6 is the cost of one exercise book. Rupees 6 is the cost of one exercise book. What about 18 books? You have to multiply. Step 2. Cost of one book, we found cost of 18 books. 18 exercise books is equal to 18 into 6. Okay, this is the cost of one book. That's why 18 into 6. 18 into 6, 108 rupees 108. Okay, here also you have to mention rupees 106. So answer is 108. Our concept is you have to find the cost of one object by division method and the cost of more object by multiplication method. One more question. Fourth question. The weight of 25 bags of sugar, 625 kilogram. What is the weight of 100 bags of sugar? Okay, so weight of 25 bags given. Weight of 25 bags. Weight of 100 bags you have to find. So first you have to find weight of 1 bag of sugar. Okay, by division method. Next, if you found the weight of 1 bag of sugar, after that easily we can find weight of 100 bags of sugar by multiplication method. Fourth question. Okay. Step 1. Solution. Step 1. Cost of weight. Weight of 25 bags of sugar is equal to 625 kilogram. Okay, next, weight of 1 bag of sugar. 25 bags given, 1 bag is a question, so you have to divide. 625 divided by 25. 625 divided by 25 is equal to 25. Okay, mental mathematics you can do this one. 25 into 25, 625. So 625 divided by 25, 25. This type of mental mathematics you have to know. Okay, so 625 divided by 25 is equal to 25 kilogram. So 25 kilogram is the weight of 1 bag. Understood? 25 kilogram is the weight of 1 bag. Then you have to find the weight of 100 bags. Step 2. Weight of 1 bag, no. Weight of 100 bags of sugar. Weight of 100 bags of sugar. 1 bag 25 into 100. Okay, 2500. Without multiplication we can do. Okay, this type of multiplication in mental mathematics we can do. How? Multiply by 10, 100, 1000, very easy. How? In 10 only 1 0. Okay, 100 2 0, 1000 3 0. So how many zeros are there? Just add that 0. Okay, so 25 into 10 is 25 into 100, 2 zeros. So write 25 first, 2 0. If it is 25 into 1000, 3 zeros will come. So write 25 first 3 zeros, add 3 zeros. Okay, this type of multiplication you have to do in mental mathematics. Okay? So our concept is first unitary. In unitary method, finding cost of one object and finding cost of other object. One object by division method, more objects by multiplication method. This is the method you have to follow in unitary method. Okay, so this lesson we finished. Understood? Operations with large numbers lesson finished. Thank you. Thanks for watching.